What if you could launch an entire business from idea to execution without hiring anyone, writing code, or spending weeks on planning? That's exactly what I tried. Using only AI tools, I built a brand, a product, a website, and started selling all in a matter of days. No team, no budget, just algorithms and ambition. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process, the results, and the honest truth about whether this actually works. It started with a simple challenge. Can I build a real money-making business using only AI tools? No Fiverr freelancers, no agencies, no expensive software. Just artificial intelligence from branding to launch. My goal wasn't to create $1 million empire overnight. I just wanted to prove that with the right tools and strategy, you could turn an idea into income using only machines. First came the idea. I needed a niche that had demand but low startup friction. I asked ChatGPT for help. After analyzing trends, it recommended digital planners for entrepreneurs, a niche growing fast thanks to productivity culture. I liked it. Low overhead, digital product, and something AI could help me create. With that, I had my direction. Next step, branding. To name the business, I used an AI tool called Namelix. I input my keywords: productivity, digital planner, entrepreneur. The AI suggested dozens of names. One stood out: PlanForge. Clean, techy, memorable. Then I jumped over to Looka to generate a logo. In 5 minutes, I had a slick design in multiple formats. Branding? Done. No designer required. Now I needed a product. I used ChatGPT to outline features for a digital planner tailored to startup founders, daily task lists, weekly goal tracking, business idea prompts. I then used Canva, powered by AI design suggestions, to lay out the planner. For premium visuals, I used Midjourney to generate high-end covers. In a few hours, I had a sellable product. With branding and product ready, it was time to build the website. I used Durable, the AI website builder. I typed digital planners for entrepreneurs and got a site in 60 seconds homepage. Product description, contact form, even testimonials. I customized the colors and uploaded product images. The site looked professional without a single line of code. Next came copywriting. I used ChatGPT to write my homepage text, product descriptions, and in facts section. It gave me engaging, benefit-driven language that I only had to tweak slightly. I even had ChatGPT write an email welcome sequence for customers, with tone and timing optimized for conversions. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps more creators see how they can start with AI too. It was like having a marketing team in my laptop. To handle e-commerce, I connected my site to PayHip, a free AI-compatible platform for digital product sales. PayHip handled file delivery, payments, even discount codes. No Shopify fees, no plugin nightmares, everything synced beautifully. I uploaded my planner, set the price at $14.99, and boom, the store was live. It was officially real. Marketing time. I used ChatGPT to plan a 30-day content strategy. For visuals, I used Canva's AI templates and repurposed content with tools like Opus Clip for short-form video. I recorded a few voiceovers using 11 Labs to sound more polished. For social media captions, you guessed it, AI again. Within 2 days, I had a full campaign ready to deploy. For traffic, I posted in entrepreneur forums, Reddit productivity threads, and niche Facebook groups. I also created Pinterest pins using AI-generated images and used Jasper to optimize blog content for SEO. Instead of waiting for organic reach, I used AI to test paid copy. I spent just $30 on Facebook ads and got my first sale within 48 hours. That first sale? It was surreal. A stranger paid me $14.99 for a product entirely built by artificial intelligence. From concept to creation to customer, every step had been AI-powered. It was proof that yes, this is possible. But that's not where it ends, because now I had to scale. Scaling meant automation. I connected PayHip to my email list on MailerLite. I asked ChatGPT to write follow-up emails, testimonials, upsells, reminders. I added a refer a friend incentive using Zapier automations, written and managed with AI prompts. In 1 week, I had a full business funnel, built without touching a line of code or hiring help. I also wanted to add new products. ChatGPT gave me ideas: business goal-setting templates, productivity courses, even an AI-powered business idea generator. Using Canva and Notion, I built and packaged them quickly. Midjourney handled visuals. Within 10 days of launch, I had a small but growing digital product suite. Now let's talk real results. In the first month, the business made $237 in sales. Not life-changing, but absolutely zero ad agency, zero development cost, and zero product manufacturing. My only expenses? A $12 domain, a few AI subscriptions, and $30 in ads. For a one-person AI experiment, that was a huge win. But let's be real, it wasn't flawless. I made some weird suggestions. One time it suggested a planner feature for telepathic brainstorming. Another time, an AI-generated testimonial included a fake name that turned out to be a real, controversial figure. So yes, you still need to double-check everything. AI is powerful, but not perfect. What surprised me most wasn't the sales, it was the speed. What would normally take months, branding, product creation, website, marketing, took days. Not because I rushed, but because the tools worked instantly. It gave me momentum. I wasn't stuck on naming, stuck on copy, or stuck waiting for revisions. I was in motion the whole time. So what did I learn? First, AI doesn't eliminate the need for creativity, it amplifies it. You still need vision, judgment, and taste. AI helps you skip the technical roadblocks so you can focus on building. Second, done is better than perfect. I could have spent weeks refining, but launching fast gave me real data and real confidence. Most importantly, I learned that AI is no longer just a novelty, it's a business partner. It won't replace your ideas, but it will execute them with lightning speed. If you've got an idea in your head, AI can help you ship it this week. The tools are here, the learning curve is low, and the upside is massive. Want to try it yourself? Here's the playbook. 1. Use ChatGPT to choose your niche and plan your offer. 2. Use Nemalix and Looka for branding. 3. Build your product in Canva or Notion. 4. Launch your site with Durable or Mixo. 5. Sell with Payhip. 6. Market using AI for content and copy. 7. Automate with Zapier and MailerLite. You can literally start tonight. Whether you're broke, burned out, or just curious, this is your moment. There's never been a better time to start something with no code, no team, and no gatekeepers. You don't need permission, capital, or connections. You just need the willingness to experiment and let AI do the heavy lifting. To be clear, this won't make you rich overnight. But it will make you capable. Capable of launching. Capable of learning. Capable of building without needing a co-founder. And in this new era, being capable is everything. The tools are here. The limits are mostly in your mind. So did it work? Yes. I built a business using only AI, made sales, and gained proof of concept in a single month. More importantly, I proved that the playing field has been leveled. It gives individuals the power of entire teams. And that, more than any one product, is the revolution.